Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 Update error encountered problem. We will open the command prompt console as administrators. There, click Yes to authorize. After this, we will run a scan of the file system using the command sfc/scano. Press Enter. You can see the analysis process in real time. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. At the end, check the result of the analysis. After this, open the File Explorer and on the main drive access the Windows folder. Now open the folder Software Distribution. Select all the content and click Delete. You can authorize the process and click Continue. In some cases, you can define what action to perform with the content. Then in the search box, enter Services. Open Local Services. Locate and double-click the Windows Update service. In the Start Type field, select Automatic. Then, click the Stop button to stopping the service. After, click on Start. Apply the changes. Finally, open Configuration and in Windows Update check that it works without errors. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.